Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lesson, we will discuss Tanween. Tanween means double movement. Whenever a letter has got double fatha, double kasra, or double dhamma, it means there is a Tanween on that letter. The way to read Tanween is we add the sound of noon at the end. Like we read mim fatha ma. If there is another fatha, then it would be mim to fatha man. We will add the sound of noon at the end. Mim fatha is ma, mim to fatha is man. Just add the sound of noon. And mim kasra is mi, and mim to kasra is min. Mim dhamma is mu, mim to dhamma mun. Yes, just add the sound of noon at the end. As this lesson is very simple, we will add one more thing in this lesson, which is Ikhfaa. Ikhfaa means to hide your sound in nose. So when we read to fatha, or to kasra, or to dhamma, tanween, the sound of noon, which is at the end, should be hide in nose. This is called Ikhfaa. For Ikhfa, in this qaida, we are using orange color. Yes, orange color is for Ikhfa. Later on, in next pages, you will see that we are using orange color in different words, which means that in this word you have to do Ikhfa. So for that purpose, we do some practice of Ikhfa in this lesson. Now follow me, I will tell you how to do Ikhfa, and you have to follow and try to read like that. Mim to fatha man, it's man, the sound of noon, and I am hiding that sound in nose. Man, not man, man. This is not man. If you say man, this is hard. This is another rule. But right now we are practicing Ikhfa. Ikhfa is to hide the sound. Man, mim to kasra, mim to dhamma, mun, ba to fatha, ban, ba to kasra, bin, ba to dhamma, bun, waw to fatha, wan, waw to kasra, win, waw to dhamma, wun, fa to fatha, fan, fa to kasra, fin, fa to dhamma, fun. Oh, I was not using the stick. Oh, look at this. Now I will use the stick as well. Tha to fatha, fan, tha to kasra, fin, tha to dhamma, fun, zal to fatha, zan, zal to kasra, zin, zal to dhamma, zun, za to fatha, zan, za to kasra, zin, za to dhamma, zun, za to fatha, zan, za to kasra, zin, za to dhamma, zun. Remember, pronunciation should be correct. And look at this letter, za. Za is in green color. So we read that green color is for bold letters. Yes, green color is for bold letters. So the za is in green color, and tanween, double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma, they are in orange color. So which means that za is bold, as well as there is a ikhfa on this. So you have to read za with heavy sound, and at the same time you have to do ikhfa on it. That is why there are two different colors. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video with our next lesson. Allah Hafiz.